Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, that is shapes. There are different shapes which we see in our daily life. But in this lesson we are going to learn only few shapes, that are triangle, circle, square, rectangle and oval. Now look at the names of the shapes. First is square, second is rectangle, third one is a circle and fourth one is a triangle. Let's join their dots and color the shapes. Yes, you can do it nicely. Yes, so do it fast. Done? Okay, very good. Let's do the next question. It is count and write. Here we have to count the total number of shapes from the given picture and write the answer in the below box. See the first one. It is a square. In this picture, if we count the number of total square, they are 9. Yes? So, write the answer below the box. Yes? Understood what you have to do here? You have to count the number of squares, total number of squares from the given picture, and they are 9. Yes, what is the question? How many squares are there in all? So our answer is 9. So write that answer in below box. Like this, you can do second and third also. Now, we will learn the properties of shapes. First is a triangle. As you can see in the picture, triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The length of all 3 sides may be same or different. The examples of triangle are tent, mountain, birthday cap, cloth hanger, etc. Okay, understood the properties of triangle? Yes, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So it is called as triangle. Now, our next shape is a circle. See the circle. How it is smiling. Yes, a circle has no sides and no corners. It is round in shape. Yes, the examples of circle are wall clock, plate, wheel, etc. Yes, understood what is a circle? Very good. Now let's see the next shape. So our next shape is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners, as you can see in the picture. The main property of square is it has all 4 sides of equal length. Yes, its all sides are equal in length. Some example of square are carrom board, chessboard, handkerchief. Yes, these are the examples of square. So, now tell me, all of you understood the properties of triangle, circle and square? Okay, very good. The next shape is rectangle. Like square, rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. But it has only opposite sides of equal length. Yes, square has all its sides equal. But in rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. Let's see the example. Duster, notebook, calculator, note. Yes, these are the examples of rectangle. Understood? Very good. So now let's see the last shape, that is oval. Yes, it is oval. You can see it in the picture. Like circle, oval also has no sides and no corners. Yes, oval shape appears to be a circle, but it is not a perfect circle. Yes, the properties of circle and oval are same. They don't have sides and corners. But the difference is that oval is not the perfect circle. Now, example of oval is, the well-known example is egg, pineapple, computer mouse. Yes, these are the examples of oval shape. Okay, understood the properties of rectangle and oval also? Very good. Yes, so let's learn one more interesting topic, that is rolling and sliding. Yes, so what is meant by rolling and what is meant by sliding? The objects that are flat slide on the plane surface. Yes, if we push them, they slide on the plane surface. Like a striker slides on the carom board. Yes, and the objects that are circular in shape, they roll on the surface like a football. Yes, when we kick the football rolls on the ground. Yes, so understood the difference between sliding and rolling? Okay, very good. So let's do the exercise now. The question is, take the object which roll and cross the objects which slide. Yes, what we have to do here? Here we have to tick the objects that are roll and cross the object that are sliding. So see the first one. Yes, what is that? It is an eraser. It is flat. It has flat portion. So it slides on the surface. Yes, so we have to cross it. Now see the second one. Yes, second one is coin. Yes, coin is circular in shape. Yes, so it rolls on the ground. Yes, as well as it slides on the ground. Yes, so here you can tick also and here you can cross also. Understood? Yes, like that rest of the examples you can do it. Yes, very good. Do it fast. Let's do the exercise. The question is, guess the name of the shape and draw it. Yes, you have given the hint there and you have to guess the name of the shape. See the first one. I am round and I have no side. So tell me, who am I? Yes, correct. It is a circle. Yes, so draw the circle in first box. Now see the second one. I have 3 sides. Guess, who am I? Yes, 3 sides means I am a triangle. Correct. So, draw a triangle in second box. Okay, like that you have to do third one and fourth one. Yes, very good. Let's see the second question. Name the two objects of the shape which has no sides. So tell me, which shapes has no sides? Yes, circle and oval. So tell me the objects that are circle and oval. Yes, first one is coin, second one is wheel. So write down in first box coin, COIN coin, and in second box WHEEL wheel. Yes, now see the next question. Name two objects of shape which has four sides. Yes, we have to find such objects that has four sides. So think about it. Which are that objects? Yes, the objects are blackboard and notebook. So write down in first box blackboard, BLACKBOARD, and in second box notebook, NOTEBOOK, notebook. Done with your writing? Okay. Our next question is match the figures in column A with the figures in column B. So in column A the shapes are given and in column B the objects are given. Here we have to match the objects with their shapes. Yes, let's see this first one. The shape given is square. See the column B, which object matches with the square? Yes, it is a carom. So you can see the line connecting to them. Yes, so do the second one now. See the second shape. It is oval. Yes, which object matches with oval shape? Yes, it is a soap. Yes, third picture from left side. So draw a line from the oval shape to the soap. Yes, done? Very good. Now rest you can do now. Let's move to the next question. What is our next question? Color the figures which are of the same size in each row. Yes, here in each row the shapes are given but their sizes are different. Yes, so we have to find only two shapes from the same row that are same in size. Yes, and after that we have to color them. See the first one. Here 5 rectangles are given. Yes, among which only 2 are same in size. Let's find them. Yes, they are second and fourth one. Yes, from left side, second and fourth one. These two rectangles are same. Yes, so color them with the same color. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is very interesting. Done up to this? Okay. Now see, second, third and fourth. You can do it now. Yes, it's so easy, na? Yes, very good. So do it. Here we finish with our interesting lesson. I hope you understood all the shapes and their properties. Thank you.